What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car tires. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Hankook Kinergy All-Season Radial Tire. Hankook has been Korea's premier tire company since the early 1950s. Today, the automotive world is changing fast, and Hankook is right there all the way, with designs that meet the challenge and stay a step ahead. Hankook's Ventus Performance tires, Optimo Touring tires, and Dynapro light truck tires all use next-generation materials, manufacturing, and design. Hankook tires are original equipment on many makes and models. Hankook is also the parent company to the Lawson and Kingstar brands, with a full array of truck/bus, trailer, and competition tires along with their light truck and passenger tire lines. In addition, Hankook takes their tires to extremes with motorsports, with sponsorships of drivers and teams in both the US and Europe.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Michelin Defender LTX M/S All-Season Radial Car Tire. Radial car tire for light trucks, SUVs and crossovers, designed for all-season use. Provides exceptional grip for shorter braking distances on wet roads. More mileage. Michelin EverTread compound provides 10% more longevity in severe conditions, compared to its predecessor. Reduced risk of hydroplaning, outstanding grip for improved braking performance on wet roads, and better traction on snow when compared to leading competitors. Fuel-efficient and eco-friendly, features Michelin Max Touch construction to save up to 65 gallons of fuel over the tire's life. 70,000 miles. Manufacturer's treadwear limited warranty. 6-year standard limited warranty. 265/70 R 17115T.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Michelin Pilot Sport 4 South Summer Radial Car Tire. Radial car tire for ultra-high performance sport, designed for summer driving. Dynamic response technology continuously adapts to the road for ultra-precise steering, outstanding cornering power, and remarkably good tread life for a summer tire. Specifically designed for road and occasional track usage. Equipped with our multi-compound construction, which delivers unmatched levels of dry and wet grip. Ultra-reactive tread patterns increase grip of the road, giving you an incredible ride with precise control and road holding. 30,000 miles. Manufacturer's treadwear limited warranty. 6 years standard limited warranty. 255/40 ZR 19/XL 100Y. Fit type: vehicle specific. Load capacity: 1,764 pounds.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is General Ultimax RT43 Radial Tire. General Tire believes that life should be lived to its fullest. They understand how demanding it can be to make the most of every moment, so that's why they deliver tires with excellent performance, so you can confidently take on any road and live your best life. General tires are made to last, with durable materials and coveted sidewalls that bring form and function together. So no matter where you want to go or how you want to live, General Tire has you covered.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Michelin CrossClimate 2 All-Season Car Tire. Michelin CrossClimate 2 Tire. Rain or shine, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 All-Season Tire is our ultimate year-round performer, providing performance in every season and confidence in all climates even when worn. Made to last. The Michelin Cross-Climate 2 tire is a premium tire with proven all-season performance made to last, outlasting 4 leading competitive tires by up to 15,000 miles on a treadwear test, delivering 1 extra year of tread life. Stopping power. The Michelin Cross-Climate 2 tire has excellent stopping power, even when worn, stopping shorter than 4 leading competitive tires up to 16 feet on dry pavement and up to 56 feet on wet pavement. Unexpectedly quiet. V-shaped tread design distributes forces evenly throughout the contact patch for long wear. 3D Cyclock technology improves treadwear resistance, while piano acoustic tuning minimizes noise disturbance. A better fit. The Michelin Cross-Climate 2 tire is designed to bring a luxurious ride to vehicles like the Cadillac CTS, Mercedes-Benz E-Class and Acura TL. The Michelin Guarantee. The Michelin Cross-Climate 2 tire is backed by a 60,000-mile manufacturer's treadwear limited warranty and a 6-year standard limited warranty.